The Cowley Road Carnival means so much to so many people, and not just people from Cowley Road or from Oxford, but from much further afield. And so we're really excited that this year's festival organisers have managed to pull together such a brilliant programme in spite of COVID-19, in spite of the lockdown. It's just such a great testament to the tenacity of human community spirit.
The Carnival is a brilliant celebration of our diverse, energetic and joyful community, and we're so glad to be able to share today with you.
Restore has been a committed partner of the Cowley Road Carnival, and our mental website has been an important space right from the start.
This year, our Mansellway Garden Cafe has held a slightly quieter experience for carnival goers, with live music, handcrafted stalls and a delicious food.
Restore helps people who are recovering from mental ill health to find work, volunteering positions, or to get back into education.
A large part of our work is to empower our members, helping them to build confidence and connect with their community.
It's been difficult to do that physically in the last few months. Our wonderful staff have been connecting with members remotely, supporting them to continue to feel empowered and enabled.
Mental health isn't static. It's impacted by the world around us, our experiences, and how we interact each and every day.
It's more important than ever to advocate for one another and support each other in light of adversity and ignorance.
Whether you're struggling with your mental health, or you know someone who is, or you just want to lend your support, we're there to help. Me time's really important, and we're there to help with that too.
As you know, it's a virtual carnival this year, so we won't be seeing you in the garden, but we really do look forward to seeing you back in our little oasis of calm for some me time as soon as it's safe to do so. Keep safe. Bye.